Stellenbosch Football Club is pleased to announce that the club has signed Nigerian defender Enyinnaya Kazi Goriswill as a free agent. Goriswill most recently played for Nigerian Premier League side Rivers United, where he made more than 160 appearances across all competitions and helped the club win its first ever top flight league title during the 2021 and 2022 season. The 25-year-old also previously represented Nigeria at international level, where he featured for the Super Eagles at the 2022 African Nations Championship in Algeria. Goriswill will wear jersey number 16 for Stellenbosch FC.